So today we'll be looking at the Year 2 science concept of mixing materials for different purposes. In the world around us we are surrounded by different mixtures. Do you know what a mixture is? Can you tell me what you think a mixture is?
Mixtures like a few things they put together like to make something.
Yeah, good. So it's something that is created by putting a number of different things together to create something else. Yeah. The air we breathe, the food that we eat, things that we drink are all mixtures. If you have cordial, you mix it with water to create the drink you can actually drink. You can't just drink the cordial by itself. That's a mixture. The last time that you went to a restaurant, can you remember what you ordered? Do you know what you ate? Can you remember?
I think I had lasagna.
Lasagna. Okay, great. So now if we think about lasagna, there's a number of different ingredients in lasagna, isn't there? We have meat, we have the tomato sauce, we have pasta sheets, we have the creamy white sauce that they put on, and cheese as well. They're all ingredients that are cooked. We add salt and pepper. All these different things are mixed together and layered to create something else, to create lasagna. That is a mixture. So do you understand so far what a mixture is?
Yeah, so like with lasagna there's meat and different other stuff as well to make.
Yeah, good. So it's all things that are mixed together to create something else, to create what we're eating. Good. Do you have any questions so far? Cool. So one thing that is very important to understand is that just about everything in our lives is already a mixture. For example, flour, that is this, feel free to have a play and feel of it. Flour it doesn't just come like that. We don't just scoop it off the ground and use it to make a cake. It itself is already a mixture. It is cereal seeds and grains and roots that are all grinded, so it's so small that it becomes this powder. So this picture here, you can see that this is the wheat and these are the seeds, and we grind all of these things. We mix them together, we grind them very small to create the flour that you have there. So it itself is already a mixture, and then so although flour is used to mix things and create other things, it itself is already a mixture. That's one thing we have to remember, is lots of things are already mixtures.
So this was once seeds and sticks?
Yes, that's right. And it's put in a special machine. The farmers get the wheat like this, and it goes through a special machine which grinds it really small to create the flour which we use to make our cakes. Good. So are you confused? Does that make sense?
Oh, that makes sense.
Cool. Well, have you ever cooked pancakes before?
Yes.
Awesome. So in front of you here, this is pancake mix. So this is batter. That's ready to cook. If we put that in a frying pan and we add some heat, that will turn into a pancake after a few minutes. We can cook that. But how did I get this? Is that just how it is, or anything like that?
It's a mixture.
It's a mixture. Good. So these ingredients here, we have flour and milk and butter and caster sugar, eggs. All of these things are mixed together in the bowl like we have here, and it creates that batter, that liquid, which then we can cook. If I was to just dump some flour in a pan and cook it, would I end up with a pancake?
No.
No, that's right. So it is important that we understand that we have to mix things together. We mix all of these ingredients together to then get the pancake batter which we can cook. So that's another example of a mixture. What you are going to do now is have a go at mixing all the different ingredients that we have here to create your own pancake batter. It will let you see how important it is to mix things and that sort of thing. Then we will move on to looking at some other things that you might know about that you can mix to create something else. Do you have any final questions about this concept, or any questions about mixing?
No.
No confusion?
No.
Cool.